talk about your morning routine in English like this? I wake up, I brush teeth, I eat breakfast, I go work. If yes, this lesson is for you.
That sounds like me. I know the words, but my English sounds too simple.
Exactly. Today, you will learn 5 natural English chunks for your morning routine. These chunks will help you sound more fluent, more natural, and more confident.
Great. I want to talk about my morning clearly, not word by word.
Perfect. Welcome back to FluentMindee. This is the English Chunks series, where you learn useful groups of words that native speakers use again and again.
So a chunk is not just one word.
Right. A chunk is a group of words you can use together. You do not need to build every sentence from zero. You can remember the chunk and use it quickly.
That sounds easier than memorizing many grammar rules.
Exactly. Today's topic is your morning routine. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about when you wake up, what you do first, how you get ready, and how you start your day.
Nice. I can use this when someone asks, "What do you usually do in the morning?"
Yes. Let's start with chunk number 1. I usually wake up at...
I usually wake up at...
This chunk is used to talk about your normal wake-up time. For example, I usually wake up at 6:30.
That sounds natural.
Yes, many learners say, I wake up 6:30, but that is missing at.
So the wrong example is, I wake up 6:30.
Correct. The natural example is, I usually wake up at 6:30.
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Great. Now, you can also say, I usually wake up around 7. The word around means the time is not exact.
So if I wake up at 6:50, 7, or 7:10, I can say, I usually wake up around 7.
Exactly. Repeat after me. I usually wake up at 6:30.
I usually wake up at 6:30.
I usually wake up around 7.
I usually wake up around 7.
Now, let's practice with your own answer. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6.
Very good. Let's move to chunk number 2. The first thing I do is...
The first thing I do is...
This chunk is very useful when you want to explain the first action in your morning routine.
For example, the first thing I do is check my phone.
Yes, that is natural. You can say, the first thing I do is drink water, or the first thing I do is make my bed.
I like this chunk because it sounds more fluent than, first I...
Exactly. First I drink water is okay, but the first thing I do is drink water sounds more natural and conversational.
What is a common mistake?
Some learners say, first thing I do drink water. That is not complete.
So the wrong example is, first thing I do drink water.
Correct. The natural example is, the first thing I do is drink water.
The first thing I do is drink water.
Excellent. Notice the structure. The first thing I do is plus action.
The first thing I do is take a shower.
Perfect. Repeat after me. The first thing I do is drink water.
The first thing I do is drink water.
The first thing I do is make my bed.
The first thing I do is make my bed.
The first thing I do is check my phone.
The first thing I do is check my phone.
Great. Now, let's make a short conversation.
Okay, I will try.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
And what is the first thing you do?
The first thing I do is drink water.
Very natural. Now let's learn chunk number 3. I get ready for...
I get ready for...
This chunk means you prepare yourself for something. In the morning, you can say, I get ready for work, or I get ready for school.
So, get ready means prepare.
Exactly. It can include taking a shower, brushing your teeth, choosing clothes, packing your bag, and so on.
That is useful. I usually say, I prepare to work.
That is a common mistake. In English, we do not usually say, I prepare to work for your morning routine.
So the wrong example is I prepare to work.
Right. The natural example is I get ready for work.
I get ready for work.
Good. You can also say, I get ready for the day. This means you prepare yourself to start your day.
I get ready for the day.
Nice. Repeat after me. I get ready for work.
I get ready for work.
I get ready for school.
I get ready for school.
I get ready for the day.
I get ready for the day.
Great. Let's put the first 3 chunks together.
Okay, I will try.
Tell me about your morning.
I usually wake up at 6:30. The first thing I do is drink water. Then I get ready for work.
Excellent. That already sounds much more natural than I wake up, drink water, prepare work.
Yes, it sounds smoother.
Exactly. That's the power of chunks. You speak in ready-made pieces.
I like that. It helps me speak faster.
Now, before we continue, let's review the first 3 chunks quickly. Chunk 1 is I usually wake up at.
I usually wake up at.
Chunk 2 is the first thing I do is.
The first thing I do is.
Chunk 3 is I get ready for.
I get ready for.
Great. In part 2, we will learn 2 more natural chunks and build a complete morning routine answer.
Welcome back. You have already learned 3 natural English chunks for your morning routine.
Yes, I usually wake up at. The first thing I do is. And I get ready for.
Perfect. Now let's continue with chunk number 4. I try to make time for.
I try to make time for.
This is a very natural chunk. It means you are busy, but you try to find time to do something important.
For example, I try to make time for exercise.
Excellent. You can also say, I tried to make time for breakfast, or I tried to make time for reading.
I like this because mornings are busy.
Exactly. This chunk is useful because many people do not have a perfect morning. They are busy, tired, or in a hurry.
What is a common mistake?
Some learners say, I try to have time for exercise. People may understand you, but it sounds less natural.
So the wrong example is, I try to have time for exercise.
Correct. The natural example is, I try to make time for exercise.
I try to make time for exercise.
Good. Repeat after me. I try to make time for breakfast.
I try to make time for breakfast.
I try to make time for exercise.
I try to make time for exercise.
I try to make time for myself.
I try to make time for myself.
Very nice. That last one is useful. I try to make time for myself means you try to have a little personal time.
Like drinking coffee quietly or reading for 5 minutes?
Exactly. Now let's use it in a conversation.
Okay.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Not every day, but I try to make time for exercise.
Great answer. Do you eat breakfast every morning?
I try to make time for breakfast, but sometimes I'm too busy.
Very natural. Now let's move to chunk number 5. Before I leave, I...
Before I leave, I...
This chunk is used to talk about the last things you do before leaving your home.
For example, before I leave, I check my bag.
Exactly. You can say, before I leave, I check my phone. Before I leave, I lock the door. Before I leave, I say goodbye to my family.
That is very useful for daily life.
Yes. Many learners say, before leave, I check my bag, but that is missing the subject, I.
So the wrong example is, before leave, I check my bag.
Correct. The natural example is, before I leave, I check my bag.
Before I leave, I check my bag.
Excellent. Repeat after me. Before I leave, I check my bag.
Before I leave, I check my bag.
Before I leave, I lock the door.
Before I leave, I lock the door.
Before I leave, I grab my coffee.
Before I leave, I grab my coffee.
Great. Grab my coffee means quickly take or get your coffee.
So I can say, before I leave, I grab my coffee.
Yes, very natural. Now let's build a full morning routine using all 5 chunks.
Okay, I will try.
Tell me about your morning routine.
I usually wake up at 6:30. The first thing I do is drink water. Then I get ready for work. I try to make time for breakfast, but sometimes I'm busy. Before I leave, I check my bag and lock the door.
Excellent. That sounds clear, natural, and easy to understand.
It sounds much better than saying, I wake up, I drink water, I prepare, I go work.
Exactly. Let's compare the simple version and the natural version.
Okay.
Simple version. I wake up 6:30, I drink water, I prepare work, I eat breakfast, I leave home.
It is understandable, but not very natural.
Right. Natural version. I usually wake up at 6:30. The first thing I do is drink water. Then I get ready for work. I try to make time for breakfast, but sometimes I'm too busy. Before I leave, I check my bag and lock the door.
Excellent. That sounds much better.
Yes. Now let's do repeat after me practice with all 5 chunks.
I ready.
Number 1. I usually wake up at
I usually wake up at
6:30.
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Number 2. The first thing I do is
The first thing I do is
drink water.
The first thing I do is drink water.
Number 3. I get ready for
I get ready for
work.
I get ready for work.
Number 4. I try to make time for
I try to make time for
breakfast.
I try to make time for breakfast.
Number 5. Before I leave, I check my bag.
check my bag.
Excellent. Now let's do a quick review.
Great.
Chunk number 1. I usually wake up at. Use it to talk about your normal wake-up time.
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Chunk number 2. The first thing I do is. Use it to talk about your first morning action.
The first thing I do is drink water.
Chunk number 3. I get ready for. Use it to talk about preparing for work, school, or the day.
I get ready for work.
Chunk number 4. I try to make time for. Use it when you are busy, but you try to do something important.
I try to make time for exercise.
Chunk number 5. Before I leave, I. Use it to talk about your final action before leaving home.
Before I leave, I lock the door.
Perfect. Now here is your challenge.
I like challenges.
In the comments, write one sentence about your morning routine using one of today's chunks.
For example, I usually wake up at 7, or the first thing I do is drink water.
Yes, you can also write, before I leave, I check my bag.
That is easy and useful.
If you want to improve your English speaking, do not only learn words, learn chunks. Chunks help you speak faster, more naturally, and with more confidence.
Today's chunks are very useful for daily conversation.
Yes, if this lesson helped you, like the video, subscribe to FluentMindee, and comment your answer below. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
My answer is, the first thing I do is drink water.
Great answer. Now it's your turn. Write your answer in the comments, and I'll see you in the next English Chunks lesson.
See you next time.